Hi, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.com. In today's video, we're going to learn the shoulder roll. The shoulder roll is a really cool contact whip cracking move where the whip gets put through the armpit, pivots on one shoulder, goes to the other shoulder, and then is caught in the same hand. To learn the shoulder roll, you're going to need a whip with a long handle, hopefully 16 inches or more. This is an 18-inch handled stock whip, and I find this is the best whip I have for learning the shoulder roll. Because the handle is long, I can get a lot of leverage off of my shoulder that makes the whip want to pop up over my head. For comparison, this is a hybrid whip with a 15-inch handle, and the handle's a lot lighter. It's a lot harder for me to get leverage on this whip. You can see the handle doesn't really want to move very much to go over my head. In order to get this whip to go over my head, I have to actually throw it and duck my head around it in order to do the shoulder roll. With my stock whip, the whip pretty much just does the work on its own. To learn this move, you're going to start by doing an overhead crack and then bringing the whip behind your back. It's going to feel like you're doing a Tasmanian cutback, but instead, you're going to put the whip through your armpit. And you'll notice that when I put the whip through my armpit like this, the handle keeps coming up and hitting me in the head. Obviously, you don't want the whip to hit you in the head, and so to get rid of that, you need to duck your head under the handle of the whip. And now the handle comes to my other side. So I'm kind of weaving my head underneath the handle in order to get it to go where I need it to go. Like that. If you're struggling to get the momentum to get the whip over your head, try and get the whip further into your armpit. So you can see I have the handle actually touching my shoulder, and that's one of the benefits of using a long-handled whip. When my whip is here and my thong is going up and behind me, now it's going to naturally want to pivot on my shoulder, and I can duck my head underneath to get it to the other side. Once you're confident with that, after you've let go of the whip, move your hand from behind your back to beside your head. And hopefully, that's where the whip is going to land. It's also a cool move if you want to finish a routine, because if you have a stock whip, you can get the whip to sit right on your shoulder. That's how to do the shoulder roll. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to learn more about whips and whip cracking, check out our website at CanadaWhips.com.